Last one. Bird. Bird doesn't have teeth. Our horsies have teeth, incisors on the top and bottom. They have molars. They have everything. Our ruminant animals don't have incisors on the top, but they have molars back here and here, and they have incisors on the bottom. Our piggies have all the teeth. Our birdie's got nothing. So they eat, and then it goes into a little thing called the crop. Then this crop, the crop expands and stores the food. While it's storing the food, it's adding in those salivary enzymes and moistures to start to moisten up the food for after the crop. It goes into this thing called the ventriculus. And the ventriculus is this gizzard. And the gizzard is going to be breaking and breaking and breaking and breaking and mechanically breaking. And this is why birds eat rocks, because they don't have teeth. The rocks go in and they help break down that food. Once the food is mechanically broken down, it then goes to the next spot, which is our proventriculus, where maybe it does go the other way. I have to look that up. I can't remember if the proventriculus is first. I actually think the proventriculus is before the ventriculus. I know it is, because that's what pro means. So pro would be, so it would actually go proventriculus, then ventriculus, so it gets bombarded with all this acid, then it goes to the gizzard and gets mixed around. You gotta look that up. Go to Google and figure out if the proventriculus or the ventriculus goes first. I don't remember, and that's what you guys have Google for. So pause the video, or don't pause it, and go back, and then when I ask all the test questions, do a labeling of the bird's digestive tract. Miss it because you never went and figured out, was it the gizzard first or was it the true stomach first? So clear that up. Right now it should be muddy. After it gets out of whichever one is last, it goes to the small intestine, the duodenal loop, which is it's coming off the gizzard, so it's coming off the ventriculus. I know it is because I've butchered and we rip it off the gizzard, and so it's coming off that proventriculus. This is your duodenal loop. The pancreas is there, the liver's sitting right over top of it like the rest of the monogastric, and it goes through the whole jejunum and the ileum, doing the absorption and everything like the monogastric, and then it goes into, instead of a cecum, it can go into these two ceca, which are blind little sacs, and this is where the fiber digestive will occur. There's two of them, not just one like it was on the monogastric. There's two little sacs that come off of there, and in there the fiber will be digested, and then it'll go into the colon, and then it'll go into the rectum and out what's called the cloaca, not the anus. That's the bird digestive tract. A lot easier, especially if I wouldn't have rambled during that time of not remembering if the gizzard was first or if the true stomach was first. Word out.